Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to resize image to 100 KB in Adobe Photoshop CS6. Let's get started. This is my image. This image size has 1.20 MB and this one has 9028 KB. I will reduce this image size. Firstly, open the Adobe Photoshop and drag the image into Adobe Photoshop. Go to File menu, click Save for Web. Choose from here JPG, PNG or etc. If you reduce the percentage, this image size will be decreased automatically. Now 125 KB. Now my image size is below 100 KB. Click the save and rename the image. I will reduce the image size another one. Go to save as and reduce the percentage. Now below 100 KB and click the save and rename the file name and click save. Now I will check the image size. Right click on the image, click properties and general. Now my image size is 97 KB. This on 99 KB. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.